Today we will be working on the lacy leaf stitch for a blanket. We had quite a few questions about this stitch, so I decided to do a video tutorial so it's easier to understand and follow the pattern on the website. The stitch looks more complicated than it really is, and all you have to remember that it's a 6-row repeat. So now we did the 6 rows. Now it's time to start a new a first row of a new repeat. And the second thing you have to remember is that each leaf has the starting point, so that's where you basically add the 3 double crochets to start the leaf. Then it grows, so basically you are increasing on each side of the leaf. Then it reaches its middle point where it has 9 double crochets, and then after that you decrease on each side of the leaf. So you don't have, after you understand the pattern, you don't have to look at the instructions all the time. You just have to see where you are for this particular leaf in order to understand what you need to do. And as I said, it's a 6-row repeat, so after 6 rows you'll be adding a new leaf, and it will start right here. In the beginning of each row it's chain 5, which represents the first double crochet, and this chain 2, which separates each leaf, and also we have chain 2 over here at the end of the blanket. I'm using Bernat Baby yarn and a 4mm crochet hook for this pattern. So starting a new row, we will be decreasing on each side of this leaf. So it will be chain 5 turning chain as we did, and now 2 double crochets together, and that decreases the leaf. So you did 2 double crochets, and now just finish both of them together. Now 3 regular double crochet in each of the following stitches. And now another 2 double crochets together. And that completes the leaf. So now we will be adding another leaf as we did over here. So always chain 2 after each leaf, and now 3 double crochets in this chain 2 space. And of course chain 2 after each leaf. Okay, now we came to the second leaf, and for that, because we are in the middle of the leaf, we'll be just doing 9 straight double crochets in each stitch of the leaf, and that represents the middle of it. We're not doing the whole blanket here, just 4 leaves, and each pattern repeat is 2 leaves. So basically here just 2 pattern repeats, and on the website we have all the instructions for how many chains you would need for a blanket. Okay, and that represents the leaf. Just let's count, make sure we have 9, and it's helpful in the beginning. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and chain 2. Okay, and now we have 2 more leaves to finish our sample swatch here. So again, we are at the leaf that is decreasing, so we will be doing 2 double crochets together. Now 3 double crochets. And the last 2 stitches for this leaf are 2 double crochets together. And finish them all 3. And chain 2. And now we need to add 1 more leaf in this chain space. So 3 double crochets in this chain space. And after 3 double crochets, don't forget chain 2. And now we're doing 9 straight double crochets for the last leaf of this row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And for the end of each row, don't forget to chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the top chain 3 of this chain 5 turning chain. Okay. And row 1 is complete. Okay, now we're ready to start row 2 of the 6 row repeat. So chain 5, and turn your work, and we will be working on this first leaf. So because we had the middle before, a 9 double crochets, so now we will be decreasing. So we'll be doing 2 double crochets together. So first double crochet, but don't finish it, and then second double crochet, and then finish them together. And now 5 regular double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last 2 stitches obviously will be 2 double crochets together. just so we have always the symmetry for those leaves. So 2 double crochets and now finish them together, and that completes the leaf. Chain 2, and now obviously for the leaf that we just started it will be increasing, so we will do 2 double crochets in the same stitch. One straight double crochet, and in the last stitch again 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and this will let this leaf to grow. So now it has 5 double crochets, as you can see. Don't forget to separate the leaves with chain 2. And this leaf is obviously decreasing, so we'll do 2 double crochets together on each side. Now 1 double crochet in the middle and 2 more double crochets together. And this leaf is done, and chain 2, and so this is first half of the pattern, and we have 3 more leaves here which are done exactly the same way. So 2 double crochet together for this leaf because we are past the middle of it, so we are decreasing. 5 double crochets, two, 3, 4, 5, and the last 2 stitches are 2 double crochets together. Chain 2, and now increase for the small leaf. 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the middle, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch on the other side. It's good to check your work, so if you made a mistake you can catch it quickly. Chain 2 and decreasing for the last leaf. So 2 double crochets together, double crochet in the middle, and the last 2 double crochet stitches together. Chain 2 and double crochet in the 3rd chain of chain 5 turning chain, and that completes row 2.